Pakistan is a land of many wonders. From the high mountains to the deep valleys, Pakistan has something for everyone. Many people don't know about Pakistan's beautiful natural places. Let me tell you about some of these amazing places. Pakistan has tall mountains, green valleys, and beautiful beaches. Come with me as we explore these special places. Get ready for an adventure. The Swat Valley is a beautiful place in northern Pakistan, known for its breathtaking landscapes and serene environment. It is often called the Switzerland of the East because its stunning scenery closely resembles that of the Swiss Alps, with majestic mountains and picturesque valleys. The valley is adorned with lush green forests that stretch as far as the eye can see, crystal clear rivers that flow gently through the landscape, and towering snow-capped mountains that create a dramatic backdrop. For adventure enthusiasts, Swat Valley offers numerous hiking trails that take you through some of the most scenic routes, providing breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains and valleys. History buffs can explore the ancient Buddhist ruins scattered throughout the valley, which offer a glimpse into the region's rich cultural and historical heritage. Whether you're looking to relax and unwind in the lap of nature or seeking an adventurous escape, the Swat Valley is the perfect destination. Its tranquil environment and natural beauty make it an ideal place to rejuvenate your mind and soul. The Hunza Valley is another beautiful place in northern Pakistan. It is famous for its tall mountains, including Rakaposhi and Ladyfinger Peak. These mountains are very impressive to see. In the spring, the valley is covered in pink cherry blossoms. It is a beautiful sight to see. The people of Hunza are known for their long lives and good health. Section 4: Skardu, where giants meet the sky. Nestled in the heart of the Karakoram range, Skardu is a town that seems to touch the heavens. Skardu is a town in northern Pakistan that is known as the City of Land Cruisers. These rugged vehicles are essential for navigating the challenging terrain and are a common sight on the streets. It is the gateway to the world's second highest plains, Deosai Plains. These plains stretch out like a vast green carpet, dotted with vibrant wildflowers and framed by snow-capped peaks. These plains are home to many wildflowers. In the summer, the fields burst into a riot of colors, creating a breathtaking spectacle. Skardu is also home to Shayosar Lake, a beautiful lake surrounded by mountains. The serene waters of Shayosar Lake reflect the towering peaks, creating a mirror-like effect that is simply mesmerizing. The lake changes color with the seasons. In spring, it is a deep blue, while in autumn, it takes on a golden hue, making it a year-round wonder. Neelam Valley is a place of incredible beauty. It follows the Neelam River. This valley is full of forests, rivers, and waterfalls. You can go hiking in the forests and see many different kinds of plants and animals. You can also go fishing in the rivers. Section 6: Gwadar, where the desert meets the sea. This unique location is a fascinating blend of contrasting landscapes where the arid desert sands meet the vast expanse of the blue sea, creating a mesmerizing sight. Gwadar is a port city on the coast of Pakistan. It is strategically located and has been a significant point of interest for trade and commerce. The city is rapidly developing, with new infrastructure and facilities being built to support its growth. It is a place where the desert meets the sea. This unique geographical feature makes Gwadar a captivating destination for travelers and adventurers alike. The stark contrast between the golden sands and the azure waters is truly a sight to behold. Gwadar has beautiful beaches and clear blue water. The pristine coastline offers a perfect getaway for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. The serene environment and the gentle waves make it an ideal spot for relaxation. You can go swimming, sunbathing, and fishing in Gwadar. The warm waters are perfect for a refreshing swim, while the sandy beaches provide a great place to soak up the sun. Fishing enthusiasts will find plenty of opportunities to catch a variety of fish in the rich waters. It is a great place to relax and enjoy the warm weather. Whether you prefer lounging on the beach with a good book or engaging in more active pursuits like beach volleyball or snorkeling, Gwadar has something for everyone. Gwadar is a growing city with a lot of potential. The ongoing development projects are transforming the city into a modern hub of activity. New hotels, restaurants and shopping centers are springing up, offering visitors a range of amenities and services. Pakistan has so many beautiful places to see. From the lush green valleys of the north to the arid deserts of the south, the country's diverse landscapes offer something for every type of traveler. Each region has its own unique charm and attraction. From the mountains to the sea, there is something for everyone in Pakistan. The towering peaks of the Himalayas and the Karakoram range are a paradise for trekkers and mountaineers, while the coastal areas offer stunning beaches and marine life. I hope you will come and explore this amazing country soon. Pakistan's rich cultural heritage combined with its natural beauty makes it a destination worth visiting. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a bit of both, you'll find it here in Pakistan.